Welcome back to American Dream Mansions. Today's tour is truly special. We're stepping inside a breathtaking tropical modern estate that perfectly blends cutting-edge design, warmth, and resort-style living. From architecture to finishes, every detail of this residence was crafted to deliver a lifestyle that feels both luxurious and effortlessly comfortable. As we approach the property, the first thing you notice is the sense of privacy and presence. The home sits gracefully on an expansive, gated lot, surrounded by lush landscaping that immediately sets a serene tone. The modern facade is a striking composition of clean lines, natural textures, and walls of glass that reflect the sunlight beautifully. This is the kind of entrance that makes a statement without saying a word. Moving through the grand entryway, you're welcomed into a space defined by light, volume, and elegance. Soaring ceilings and expansive glass walls create an airy atmosphere, while the carefully selected materials add warmth and sophistication. The color palette is a refined mix of silver tones, soft cream hues, and subtle pink accents, giving the interior a unique character that feels both modern and inviting. The living area is nothing short of spectacular. Designed for both relaxation and entertaining, this space flows seamlessly with the outdoors. Natural light pours in from every angle, highlighting the sleek finishes and designer furnishings. The open layout enhances the sense of scale, while the thoughtful lighting design ensures the ambiance remains perfect from day to night. Just beyond the living space, we find the heart of the home, a stunning designer kitchen. This culinary masterpiece combines form and function at the highest level. Premium cabinetry, a statement island, and high-end appliances make this kitchen ideal for everything from casual mornings to large gatherings. The clean lines, reflective surfaces, and elegant textures create a visual experience that is as impressive as it is practical. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area offers a refined setting for memorable moments. Anchored by a beautifully styled dining table and accent lighting, the space feels intimate yet connected. The continuity of materials and colors ensures a cohesive aesthetic throughout the main living zones. As we continue the tour, the home reveals its exceptional attention to comfort and privacy. Each bedroom suite is designed as a personal retreat, offering generous proportions, serene views, and luxurious finishes. The master suite, in particular, is a showcase of tranquility and design. Soft lighting, elegant textures, and expansive windows combine to create a sanctuary-like atmosphere. The bathrooms echo the same philosophy of understated luxury, featuring premium materials, modern fixtures, and spa-inspired details. These spaces transform everyday routines into elevated experiences. Every surface, every reflection, every light source contributes to a sense of calm and refinement. Of course, a residence of this caliber also embraces lifestyle amenities. The private gym provides a beautifully designed environment for wellness and performance, eliminating the need to ever leave home for fitness. Meanwhile, the media and TV lounge deliver the ultimate entertainment experience, with sophisticated lighting and seating that rival any luxury cinema. One of the home's most impressive features is the seamless indoor-outdoor connection. Stepping outside feels like entering a private resort. The spectacular swimming pool becomes the visual centerpiece, surrounded by elegant lounging areas and lush greenery. Whether hosting gatherings, enjoying quiet mornings, or relaxing at sunset, this outdoor environment offers endless possibilities. Adding to the experience, the outdoor swing and relaxation spaces introduce a playful yet sophisticated lifestyle element. It's these thoughtful touches that transform a beautiful property into a truly unforgettable home. The garage is another standout feature, designed not just for function but for presentation. With its clean design, lighting, and capacity for multiple luxury vehicles, it reflects the same commitment to excellence seen throughout the residence. What makes this estate truly remarkable is how effortlessly it combines architecture, technology, and design. Every space feels intentional, every transition feels natural. It's a home designed to inspire, impress, and most importantly, to be lived in. If you've enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay connected for more extraordinary luxury homes. And if you're searching for your dream property, the links below will guide you to exclusive opportunities and listings. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tour.